Hi guys, quick tour tayo sa aking college alma mater, the Pontifical and Royal University of Santo Tomas, the Catholic University of the Philippines. It was founded on 1611 and is the oldest existing university in Asia. Grabe talaga yung adjustment ko when I entered UST. Kasi from a public elementary and high school to biglang private and Catholic University in college. Kulang din ang nag-iisang taga Mindanao sa section namin at feeling ko wala akong kakampi dun. Palagi pa naman ako napapansin ng mga prof namin dahil sa aking pag-i-English. Visayan accent or matigas yung pag-i-English ko. Proud bisdak kasi ako. Mahirap na baguhin yung dila ko eh. Buti na lang natapos ko yung 4 years BA sa accountancy. Kaya thank you so much sa lahat ng tumulong sa akin. Living in Manila and studying in UST for 4 long years truly opened and widened my understanding about life. Siguro nakakatulong yung school in finding a job. Pero kung mayroon kang sikap at tiyaga, samahan pa ng swerte, magtagumpay ka sa buhay. Nag-graduate ka man ng college o hindi. Thanks for watching!